Today I'm gonna show you how to create this map animation easily and for free. Go to Canva. As you see, I'm using the online version of Canva and the free version so that everyone can access it. Then click on video, select the aspect ratio you need. I'll go for landscape, then upload and upload your map. Open your map and adjust the size. Right click on this page and duplicate it. In the second page, increase the size and zoom in on the country you want. For example, Brazil here. Then go to Elements and search Brazil map or any other countries. Select one of them. I will select this one, which is for free. You can change the color. I will change it to green and then adjust the size in a way that it covers the map. You may need also rotate it a little bit. In the next step, I should animate the map. Click on animate and select one of the animations and select this one, wipe. Then I should add my text. I can change the font. You can also add some effects if you want. Also, I will animate my text first. Then I will click on the first page and then add a transition between the two pages. Click here and select match and move. Let's check the results so far. Everything is okay except the duration, which is too long. I will decrease the duration. Also, I should adjust the duration and timing for my text and map. First for the map. Okay. Now I want to add an arrow and go from Brazil to Australia. So again, click on this page, then right click, duplicate it. Now I need to decrease the size of the map and zoom out a little bit in a case that I can see Brazil and Australia all in one map. So let's decrease the size for the map. Okay, now I have Brazil here and Australia. Then for the green map of Brazil, I should again adjust the size in a way that it covers the map. Then to move smoothly from the second page to the third page, I should again add a transition and select match and move. Now I should go ahead and do the same for the Australia map. So far so good. Now I need an arrow to go from Brazil to Australia. You can select any of them. I'd rather this one. animated. I believe wipe is the best option in this case. So now let's check it together and adjust the timing for the arrow, map, and the text. And also for the map. At the end, just click on the share button, download. File type is MP4 video. As I am using the free version of Canva, I cannot change the quality, so simply click on the download button.